Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS preparation site. So guys, this is the chapter 6 of GRE Quant section, which is the second part of power and roots. So in this part we will solve the remaining questions of power and roots section. Before that, if you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming parts of videos. And for the remaining parts you can check it out description. So now move on to the content. So our first question is quantity A is given 10 power 6 plus 10 power 5. And quantity B is given 10 power 7 plus 10 power 4. So we can make it simple by taking the common 10 power 5 and 10 plus 1, and here also 10 power 4, 10 power 3 plus 1. So 10 power 5 into 11. Here 10 power 4 into 1001. So in into form we can easily eliminate the value. So divided both side by 10 power 4. 10 power 4. So that is eliminated, and here also 10 power 5 divided by 10 power 4 become 10 and 11. And here it will become 1001 only. Answer will be for quantity A is 110. And here 1001, that's why the quantity B is greater, and our answer will be option B. Our next question is, if P is equal to 1 by root over 14 minus root over 13 and Q is equal to 1 by root over 14 plus root over 13, then P square plus 2PQ plus Q square will be. So here we have to find out the value of this equation. So we can substitute the value one by one and solve it, but it will take time, right? For each value we have to square it, then multiply it, then find out the value. It will take time. That's why first we'll make this equation simple. See here, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And that is the formula of a plus b square. So p plus q whole square, right? That will be the equation. So now substitute the value of p and q, then we'll solve it. P is become 1 by root over 14 minus root over 13 plus 1 by root over 14 plus root over 13 whole square. So take common, root over 14 minus root over 13 into root over 14 plus root over 13, and here it will be root over 14 plus root over 13 plus root over 14 minus root over 13. So this one and this one is eliminated, whole square. So here root over 14 plus root over 14, that will become 2 root over 14, and denominator is a minus b and a plus b, that will become a square minus b square. So root over 14 whole square minus root over 13 whole square, the whole square. And see now our numerator become 4 into root over sign will be gone, 14, and divided by 14 minus 13, that is 1. So answer will be 4 into 14, that answer is 56, and our option will be fourth. So our next question is, the numbers P and Q are both positive integers. So careful about that, P and Q are positive integers. So for column A we have to find out the P by Q, and for column B, P by Q whole square. See, P and Q are both positive integer, that's why the sign will not play any role here. So here it's matter that the value. So what is the value of P and Q? Let's consider if P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 2. So the column A become 1 by 2, and here it will become 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, which will be 0.25, and 1 by 2 is 0.5. Then column A will be greater. So now let's consider another value. If P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to 1, so that's become 2 by 1, 2 answer, and here 2 by 1 whole square become 2 square 4 answer, then column B will be greater. So the relationship is not determined between column A and column B. That's why we will choose the option D. Our next question is, if 2 power k is equal to 3, then 2 power 3k plus 2 is equal to what? 2 power k is 3. So first we have to make 3k. For 3k we have to cubing on both sides, right? And 3 power cube. So that will become 2 power 3k is equal to 27. And see, plus 2 means we have to multiply by 2 power 2, that is 4. So now multiply both sides by 4. Then here it will become 2 power 3k into 2 square, and 27 into 4 will become 108. So this will be our answer, and this equation will become 2 power 3k plus 2, that is the required form for us, and answer will be 108, option last. Our next question is 2 power n plus 2 power n plus 2 power n is equal to 4 power n plus 3. We have to find out the for column A n value, and column B is given 4. See, we'll take the 2 power n common, then the remaining will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 power n plus 3. Make it also on 2 base, that's why it will become easy for us to compare. So 2 power square multiply with n plus 3, that become 2n plus 6. So here 2 power n into 4 value, right? 4 means 2 power square is equal to 2 power 2n plus 6, and here 2 power n plus 2 is equal to 2 power 2n plus 6, implies n plus 2 is equal to 2n plus 6. So from this we'll get n equal to minus 4. So the column B will be greater than column A, and answer will be option B. Here is our next question. What is the remainder when 43 power 86 is divided by 5? So for remainder, first we will find the unit value, right? 3 power 86. So 3 power 1 will be 3. 3 power square will be 9. 3 power 3 will be 27. And 3 power 4 will be 81. Then again 3 power 5 will be 243. See here, the unit is repeated in a pattern of 4 values. See here, from 3971, 3 again gonna be repeat. If you take another power value, then the unit value become 9, 7 and 1. Like this it will follow the pattern of 4 values. So for power 86 we will divide it by 4, so that we will find out the pattern. 4 2 times become 8, and 6 4 21 4, that will be remainder 2. See here, 21 is completed pattern, then remainder will be 2, that will second value, first and second. So unit value of 43 power 86 will be 9 last, and if 9 will be there on the unit value, then for dividing the value by 5 we'll get the remainder of 4, right? And 5 will be subtracted, then remainder will be 4, and our answer will be 4. Our next question is, population of bacteria doubles every 30 minutes. At 3:30 on Monday the population was 240. For column A we have to find out the bacteria population at 2 p.m. See the condition, in every 30 minutes the population become double, and at 3:30 the population was 240. So we have to find out the bacteria population at 2 p.m. 3:30 is given, so we have to find out at 2 p.m. So now reverse the pattern. See here, at 3:30, right, population is 240, then in every 30 minutes it become double. So before 30 minutes, that is at 3, the population was half of it, right? So 120. On similar pattern, at 2:30 the population was 60. So at 2 p.m. the population was half, that is 30. So column A answer is 30 and column B is 40. That's why the column B is greater than column A and answer will be option B. So here is our next question. If k is an integer, 121 is less than k square and 225 is greater than k square, then k can have at most how many values? So we have to find out the k values, right? See, it is in square form. 121 is less than k square and k square is less than 225. So that is 121 is 11 square, right? K square and 225 is 15 square. And see, the k is an integer. That's why the k will be between 11 and 15 value, right? When we have same powers, then k will be 12, 13, 14, these three values. So our answer will be first option, right? No, we have to careful about here. See, k is an integer. It doesn't mention that the positive integer. That's why it includes negative also, because here it is square and negative become positive, right? So the k value is also minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. So total values will become 6, 3 and 3, 6, and our answer will be option D. So guys, this is the end of our chapter 6 part 2 of power and roots. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment below down and share this video. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming of GRE Quant and remaining videos. Till then, goodbye, take care, and thank you so much for watching our video.